So Disco Baroque, just going up to bar 8 for the moment. I'll play it through slowly, hands together. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure that on the first line, the left hand, I suggested using your thumb and your 5, just moving down each bar. Remember the F sharp. Okay. Now on the second line, I can't remember, to be honest, with the left hand. You can either use the 4th finger going to the thumb, or you can use the 5th finger going to the 2nd finger. Okay. In some ways, the 5th finger and the 2nd finger is slightly better because you don't then end up with a thumb on that F sharp. But it's entirely up to you. You can use the 4th finger and the thumb. You just have to shuffle forward to get to the F sharp with the thumb. That's all right. That's the only thing. So either of those really. Now the right hand, the first line, I think it's all meant to be just all smooth, all joined up. Okay, so you've got each bar, you've got a repeated 2nd finger note. So in the first bar, it's the G that's repeated, then the F sharp, then the E. Okay, so keep that finger in mind because that's common to each of the chords, the 2nd finger note. Now in this last bar, you need to go forward a little bit because you've got 2 black keys, D sharp and F sharp. So you go from the D sharp and the F sharp to the E and the G, just with your 3rd and 5th finger. Okay, and you need to snap that quite short. Okay, now leading into the next line, it's similar but different, all right? So you've got different phrasing. The other thing that's different is the rhythm. Slightly difficult because you've got this syncopation with the tied chord going over the bar line at the end of each of the bars. It happens 3 times. So if I do it with a beat, let's find something to tap the beat out with. So from bar 5, so you have to fit in the tied chord before the beat or before the bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, and just at the end of the line or the end of that phrase, you bring the thumb underneath to go from, again, that D sharp and F sharp chord to the thumb. Again, that's quite an abrupt finish there. With the 2 hands together on that line, it helps, I think, because of the rhythm. So I'll go very slowly, just beginning from the end of bar 4. So listen to that clipping in of that chord. I'm sort of actually in my fingering again in the left hand. I'm tending to use my thumb, my 4 and my thumb a bit more. The advantage of that that is when you get to the end of the section we're learning, you end up with both thumbs together, which anything that sort of works together between the hands is obviously just that little bit easier. Okay, so maybe using the 4 and the thumb might be the better option. Okay, so let me just write that in on mine. So we're using thumb going down to 5 on all of the first line, and then 4 going up to the thumb on all of that second line. Okay, so hopefully that will help you with this one then.